Perfect. What's up guys, Tommy here from Green Rhino, and yeah, so we're doing some carpet and some upholstery, a lot of it. This is my mixing up process here. All right, so I'm using carpet details on everything. That's what's great about this. You know, it's going to be safe on everything. No need to buy a whole bunch of different stuff. Sometimes I'm mixing up, getting some hot water in here. But let me show you around. This is a really nice vacation rental. It's part of a winery, which we did a couple other units on it earlier this week. But today we're doing this, focusing on just on this place because there's a lot of stuff here. So we're doing all these dining room chairs. As you can tell, these white ones are pretty hammered. Doing this rug. Yeah, it's pretty hammered. Doing this rug. We're doing all this. Doing the leather. Let's see what else we got here. So then we're doing this upholstery chair, this one, this one, this one. We're doing all this rug, or all this carpet. It's been a while. They're ready. And upstairs, we got all this carpet, commercial carpet. I'm not sure what that is, gum or something. I just stopped up and got some gum remover on the way here too. I'm glad I did. Not doing these chairs, but we are doing this sectional. Yeah, this place is made for many. A little hotel in here, looks like. And we're gonna work our, we got some more. So we're doing this sectional. The lighting is horrible in here, and I meant to bring my lights for this. But we're gonna have to manage that carpet, this carpet here, and this carpet here. We're not doing any, not doing all the upholstery, but most of it. And then we're gonna work our way out here with this carpet. And then we'll be done. I have no idea how long this is gonna take us, guys. You know, I'm gonna say 4.5 hours. But we'll see. If it's any longer than 4.5 hours, then be one of my longest days. Actually, I don't think I've ever worked over 5 hours. People are gonna be like, dang, you own your own business and you don't work over 5 hours? Well, when you set your business up right and you get the kind of quality customers like this, you don't need to put in 8-10 hour days, you know, to pull $1,000 a day. I average around $1,000 4 hours. So, you know, I'm at the age I don't want to work myself to death. So, I'm not greedy. All right, we're gonna get started. First, we're gonna do all the upholstery. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna knock out all the carpet. All right. All right, for upholstery, it's our setup. That's our solution. Oh, we got some color here. This is a toolbox right here. This is what mostly everything I'm gonna need. If I run into something, hopefully it's in here. If not, it's down in my van. I couldn't fit it in there. And if none of this takes care of it, it's permanent. She didn't expect miracles. and I don't promise miracles. So yeah, there we go. All right, so on the last recliner, last piece of upholstery we're doing right now, just finished this one up. It's a white one, and it's really stained up. You know, we did what we can, but majority of the stains on here are permanent, but it's clean. Did all these already. Came out good. These kitchen white ones, they're clean, but again, there's stains in here. It looks a lot better though. I don't know if you remember, but we got some color in here too, and we couldn't really get that to budge, and we don't want to damage the fabric. So those are the ones that the customer said they weren't really too worried about. This spot right here, it kills me. I just worked at this forever, and I can't get that to disappear. So now we're up here. So once we're done with this sectional, we'll take a little break, and then we'll knock out all the carpet. Perfect. Alright guys, for this upstairs, it's commercial grade carpet. We're gonna go do VLM up here while he's doing hot water extraction downstairs. Kind of cut down on the time. You know, utilize the equipment we have. This will go really quickly for me. This carpet here wasn't really soiled at all. A couple spots here and there I had to treat, but that's it. Alright guys, all finished. Let's see what time it is. Definitely took longer than I expected. No doubt about that. Let's see. Yeah, it took 6 hours. 6 hour day. About a half hour longer than my longest day. But hey, I ain't complaining. $1,500 today. Hey, I can't complain. Not even a full-time job, right? So if you're thinking on getting into the business, guys, I guess it just depends on what kind of business model you want to go by. You want to work 10 jobs a day, or do you want to work 4 jobs a day and make the same amount of money? I don't know. So link below all my videos, how to start a carpet cleaning business 101, and that'll teach you everything you need to know to get started in this business for a fair price. And there's a bunch of discounts and stuff you can get if you're going through the school itself. So, and I keep adding content to it, so it's all extras. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna roll out of here. I'm gonna go have lunch and call it a day.